Hello, my name is Vinna and welcome to my vegan food channel. From the Bahamas in the north to Trinidad and Tobago in the south, sorrel is drunk in many Caribbean homes back home, but also throughout the world. So for example, my family are from the Caribbean, but I was born and live in the UK, and it's a drink that we had very often. It is refreshing, it's tasty, it's yummy, and so I would like to show you how to make this easy and quick recipe. Enjoy. From the Bahamas in the north to Trinidad and Tobago in the south of the Caribbean, sorrel is enjoyed as a refreshing drink back home. It's so popular that this traditional drink can be found in many Caribbean homes across the world. Okay, so firstly, rinse 1.5 cups of sorrel and empty into a large bowl. To give your drink extra flavour, add orange peel, cinnamon sticks, pimento seeds and ginger. It's time to pour the boiling water over the bowl until it covers the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients together, give it a good stir. Now cover the bowl and let it steep for up to 5 hours. Oops, I forgot to add in the cloves. So here's the grounded cloves stirred in thoroughly. After 5 hours, it's time to separate the juice. Pour the sorrel mixture into the sieve and allow it to drain into another bowl. For a second time, using a sieve, pour the sorrel mixture into the first bowl, allowing it to strain. Sorrel is naturally sour, so you'll need to sweeten it to your taste by adding sugar or maple syrup. Sorrel is best served cold. When you're ready to drink, sweeten or dilute the mixture to your taste. Maybe add a slice of orange to garnish. Enjoy! To get the full recipe, see the link in the bio below. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos.